Let's start with something honest. Most people who try to make money with AI don't fail because AI doesn't work. They fail because of simple beginner mistakes that quietly stop progress before it even begins. And the difficult part is this: these mistakes don't feel like mistakes while you're making them. They feel like research, preparation, learning, or waiting for the right moment. But in reality, they delay the single thing that actually creates results, taking real action in the real world. This is VanFox, where artificial intelligence is approached calmly, practically, and with long-term wealth in mind. Just clear, logical thinking and realistic progress. In this video, we'll walk through 7 AI side hustle mistakes that beginners commonly make in 2026, so you can avoid them early and move forward with confidence. Mistake 1. Learning endlessly without doing anything. The first mistake is extremely common because it feels productive. Someone watches AI tutorials, tool reviews, income claims, and success stories for weeks. They begin to feel informed, prepared, and almost ready. But nothing has actually been built. No service offered, no message sent, and no income created. In the real world, progress only begins when learning turns into action. Even a small action, like sending one simple message to one real business, creates more progress than hours of passive research. The goal is not perfect knowledge. The goal is first real movement. Mistake 2. Choosing side hustles that are too complicated. Many beginners are drawn toward the most exciting AI ideas: automation systems, complex funnels, or multi-step online businesses. But complexity is dangerous at the beginning, because when something feels confusing, most people just give up early. The smarter path is usually simple: one service, one tool, one clear result. For example, AI-assisted freelance writing may sound less exciting than automation, but it can produce real income faster, which builds confidence and momentum. And momentum is far more valuable than excitement. Mistake 3. Expecting fast money instead of real progress. Another quiet mistake is expecting income to appear immediately. Online income stories often highlight overnight success, viral growth, and large numbers very quickly. But in the real world, most progress looks slower. The first week might produce no responses, no payments, or no visible results. And that can feel discouraging if expectations were unrealistic. But something important is still happening. Skills are forming, clarity is improving, and confidence is growing. The first small payment often arrives quietly, but it changes everything, because it proves this is real. Mistake 4. Using too many AI tools at once. In 2026, there are thousands of AI tools available. Writing tools, image tools, automation tools, research tools. Beginners often try to learn many of them at the same time, but attention becomes scattered. Instead of mastering one useful workflow, they collect unfinished knowledge across many platforms. A calmer, more effective approach is simple: choose one primary tool and learn it deeply. Depth creates results. Breadth often creates confusion. Mistake 5. Ignoring real-world demand. Some AI side hustles sound impressive but have very little real demand. Others sound simple but solve real business problems. The difference is crucial. Real income usually comes from helping real people solve real problems in real time. For example, local businesses needing content, creators needing editing help, or companies needing simple automation. When AI connects to real demand, income becomes realistic. Without demand, even powerful tools produce nothing. Mistake 6. Quitting before momentum appears. This mistake is rarely talked about, but it may be the most important. Many beginners stop just before progress begins, because early effort feels invisible. No audience, no income, no clear signal that it's working. But momentum in online income often appears suddenly after a quiet period of consistent action. The people who succeed are usually not the most talented. They are the ones who simply continue long enough for momentum to arrive. Mistake 7. Treating AI income like a short-term trend. The final mistake is seeing AI side hustles as a temporary opportunity. Something quick, something short-lived, something to try briefly. But artificial intelligence is not a short-term trend. It is a long-term shift in how value is created, which means the real opportunity is not just earning small amounts quickly, but building skills and systems that can grow over time. From small income, to steady income, to scalable income, to long-term wealth. This is the full VanFox pathway. AI, income, systems, wealth, calm, practical, and realistic. Final reflection. Every beginner makes mistakes. That is normal and expected. What matters is recognizing them early and adjusting direction calmly. Because success with AI is rarely about speed. It is about clarity, consistency, and patience over time. Avoiding just a few early mistakes can quietly change the entire future path. In the next VanFox video, we'll take a deeper dive into some of these AI tools and discuss their capabilities, weaknesses, practical applications, and how to use them most effectively to achieve the best results. If you value clear thinking, steady progress, and long-term wealth built with intention, you're welcome to continue the journey here with VanFox.